How to send email to multiple people on Gmail. So go ahead and open your Gmail application. To be able to do this, you need to use the blind carbon copy or the BCC method. So after opening your Gmail account, click on Compose and then click on the BCC option on the right side. Afterwards, type in the email addresses of the recipients. Lastly, type your message as well as your subject line. After that, you can now send the email. It's important to note though that the recipients of the email will not know the other people who received the email. However, they will know that they're not the only one who has received said email, as they can see that it's sent via BCC. So that is how to send email to multiple people on Gmail. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.